Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The pound fell under broad pressure from investor worries about the impact on growth from Trump's escalating trade war. Sterling fell against the euro even after Trump warned he would slap a 30% tariff on goods imports from the European Union. Oil prices edged lower as investors weighed new threats from Trump for sanctions on buyers of Russian oil that may affect global supplies, while still worried about tariffs. Trump threatened to hit buyers of Russian exports with sanctions unless Russia agrees to a peace deal in 50 days. Wall Street stocks edged higher with investors shrugging off another round of tariff threats from US President Donald Trump and holding firm on convictions ahead of a busy week of economic data and the start of earnings season.
The dollar-yen pair edged higher in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. Gold prices saw moderate losses in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. Crude oil prices plummeted in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
Your trusted choice in online trading.